Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today is time to talk and play about Waly Waly. I hope that I'm pronouncing right the title. Is the B3 piece on page 8 of the grade 2 now piano exam pieces ABRSM 2021-2022. I really like this song. It's a song that anyways has been played by very important, obviously rearranged in different ways, by a very important artist. You can definitely read in the notes here. Anyways, it's a fantastic one. I really like it. The very complicated aspect of these is that the melody is in the left hand. From the first note, let's say from the beginning, up to the end. The right hand is playing the accompaniment, the harmony. To be honest, the fingering suggested by the arranger, by the publisher, is fantastic, is amazing, but obviously require extra strength. Since I believe that many times students at this stage, of this age as well, they are not that much well trained, classically speaking, I would suggest you this fingering instead. It's 1-3-4 that is much more powerful and would help you playing at the same time these three notes together, because these are not even the very usual chords. Yeah, you have some of them, for example the C major chord, but this one not at all. So let's maybe, this is my opinion, yeah? I suggest you to change to 1-3-4 for these ones, 1-4 when you change the middle note that goes to E from the F that you had here in the first bar, and you confirm 1-4 here. Obviously here the same fingering of the first bar, here the same fingering of the second bar, again like the first bar, here like the beginning of the second bar, and here you simply play the two notes but with a fingering that is fantastic. And then you carry on with the fingering suggested by the ABRSM. Okay? Then I really hope that you know how to play the semiquavers. The semiquavers are the half of the half, are 1/16 of are 1/16 of semi-brief. They are half quaver. Usually I suggest to count in cases like these adding A at the end of end. Let's try to understand what I mean. I mean 1 and 2 and 3 and A. I repeat, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, still holding down the G, yeah, and 3 and A. Okay, you have to simply divide the second half of the third count. Is valid in this bar, is valid in this bar, in this bar, in this, and in this. Okay? Let's play now at the final speed, that is 56. Luckily it's very slow, but let the left hand sing. Imagine that you're playing the cello, or the violin, or the viola. A very intense sound with the left, yeah? Lots of finger strength. Et voilà. I will use the fingering that I've suggested you, yeah? I have used at the end. I have used the official fingering, the fingering suggested by the publisher, but you can definitely carry on with the one that I have told you. Yeah, it's enough if you write it down. I don't know if you have noticed what I do with the right. So let's point 1 second my fingers, because I'd like to show you how to play this passage in a way that doesn't sound strange or awful. You have to really keep the fingers really attached to the keyboard. I'm not releasing almost. I'm not lifting my fingers. So I'm playing, looking this way. So there is constant pressure. Again. It's not easy, I can understand. Anyways, let me try now to play even slower than 56 to help you as much as I can. I will play at 40, keeping the metronome on. I want to simply add 2 more important things. First of all, here, remember that you have the E flat, the middle note is E flat up to the end of the bar. The left hand is going to play E natural. The sound will be quite weird, yeah? Because they clash. So don't worry, it's normal, yeah? And then I want to clarify the meaning of the Italian word smorzando. It means that you have to let the sound die slowly, slowly. So it's a fade out up to the end. Okay, rallentando, diminuendo, all together. Let the sound and the speed obviously relax a little bit up to the end. So anyways, it's a very, it's not that easy, yeah? If you don't have this instinct towards this a bit more contemporary music, if you're not that much used to play chords, but it's fantastic. It's really, really amazing. The sound is interesting, very, very interesting. So, if you have any question, or if you have any idea, if you want to mention anything that I didn't mention at all in my tutorial, feel free to comment and to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done before. Thank you very much. See you, bye.